everyone, this is a video on 2.3 limit rows. And I will be working on the page 2 of the worksheet that we did in class. Some of you asked for a video of how to do the questions. So on page 2, the first question is limit as x goes to 3 of 1 over x minus 3 minus 4 over x squared minus 2x minus 3. So the first thing we always do is we can plug in x equal to 3 and check if that will give us a number or it will be undefined. So if we plug in, we're just checking, we get 1 over 3 minus 3 minus 4 over 3 squared minus 2 times 3 minus 3, which will give us 1 over 0 minus 4 divided by 9 minus 6 minus 3, which is 0 again. And we cannot divide by 0. That's why we cannot just plug in and just substitute. So the first thing that we'll do in this case is to combine the two fractions, and we'll do this by using a common denominator. So I'll just put the equal sign, and don't forget to write the limit every time until you're ready to plug in the values. So the first one is already factored out, x minus 3. And then for the second one, we can factor it out as x minus 3 times x plus 1. And one trick about the factoring is that whatever the limit goes to, if we got here a 0, that would be one of the factors. So one of the factors of this piece over here would definitely be x minus 3. So now to make the common denominator, we need to multiply the first part by x plus 1 in the numerator and the denominator. So this is like multiplying by 1 basically, so it does not change the fraction. And then I'll just copy the rest. So now for the first one, we have in the numerator x plus 1, and the denominator is x minus 3 times x plus 1. And I'm just copying this part. And now we can subtract those two because we have the same denominator. And I'm just copying the limit. So in the numerator, we'll have x plus 1 minus 4. And the denominator would be x minus 3, x plus 1. Just doing a little bit of algebra. In the numerator, we have x minus 3. In the denominator, we have x minus 3, x plus 1. Now, By doing this, we see that we can cancel actually the problem that gave us the 0, and we'll be left with something that we can actually substitute in. So remember, when you divide by something, the result is always 0. For example, 2 divided by 2, the result is always 1. So 2 divided by 2 is always 1. So we are left with 1 into the numerator and x plus 1 into the denominator. And now, because we are substituting, we don't need to write the limit part anymore. We can just plug in the value. So we have 1 over, we substitute 3 for x, 3 plus 1, which is 1/4 or 0.25. And this was the first question from the worksheet. I will do the next question in a separate video.